scariest part of any makeup routine is eyeliner. But I have this little technique that makes it easy for even people who are bad at doing a wing. So we outlined the top lash lid, and then we're kind of gonna draw a little upward wing line on the edge. It doesn't need to be perfect, we're gonna clean it up, but it's just outward and semi-upward. Probably would have helped if I sharpened that, but oh well. Okay, now I'm gonna take my longest nail, and I like to do it at the same time so they're even, and I'm just gonna put my finger on that little flick of a line that we drew, and we're just gonna drag it upwards. So good. And sometimes I do this multiple times just to get it perfect. Buff this line out, still keeping it small, but just kind of smudge it a little bit. Connect the wing to the lash line by just dragging it and smudging it. I just use such a small amount, and we're going in with my BK A506. And then with whatever is left on the brush, I'll do the tip and up here just to brighten. And then sometimes I'll go in with this brush just to clean up that edge. Go back and forth between these two brushes. Cleaned it up real good, and now I'm just gonna blend it out. And you don't want that wing to be like too long or too much. There is no messing up here. I kind of messed it up, but you can fix everything because I'm just gonna drag it out again and then clean it up again.